So we get up, we turn across the road, and a beer bush we start take. Me say a beer bush, we a make road, there was no road, and when we a walk a beer bush. And on we'll go. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Welcome back to the channel. If you are always watching, give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below in the comment section. So this is a story time, another story time. I come forgive Uno. Yeah, so this story time is about that time that we almost got robbed. Like, we escaped it by the tip of our finger. So this was probably like a few years back with me, my mother, my godmother, but she's not alive now, she died, and this guy named Laga. Like, this guy will always follow, we go home when we go home at night time and so forth from my mom's business place. So I was probably in primary school at that time, right? I was probably in primary school at that time. Yeah, primary school. And remember one night me and my mother shop and me did a sleep on the counter, right? And I sleep on the counter in the shop, right? Mind you, it was a small space, but it full up a whole heap of things, you understand? So I was there laying down on the counter, and we were inside the shop, and this car drove out a door. But me did sleep, you know, me did sleep. So this is like story where when me catch up on how my mother tell me, right? But me did wake up. Anyways, you gotta hear the story. So I was there and me did sleep on the counter. This car come drive up at the gate, at the shop gate, and come like there was one person in the car and one man come out. So the man come out and I asked my mother for things like, you know, expect them places to sell, you know, or just some weird things like you just not expect a regular shop to sell. So I think at first him come and ask banana, you know, mommy sell banana and so forth. She was saying that she don't have no right banana. Then the man start to send her in the fridge for things that me say the shop not expect to sell. You understand? So like I was on the counter sleeping, and the man must say send her to the fridge. So she said she not have none of them something there. But then like after she start pick up some things, like, you know, pick up one and two when people strange and people come down here and you don't know them or nothing like that. So the man must come on the counter and say, wake up the pitney, make she go on her back, go pee pee. So, you know, like from there, the man, me wake up because the man and at the counter and say, to my mother say, the glasses right here. To my mother said, wake up the pitney, make she go on her back, go pee pee. My mother said she asleep, she don't want pee pee. So from there now, I start, you know, I start wake up. So like, my mother, after I wake up, my mother like start give me one or two hints, say, you know, be calm and whatever. So like the man got a door, go in the car, go talk to somebody in the car and like come back. And the man come and say, you know, wake up, make sure you go back a pee pee. But you know him probably want carry activities, like do whatever do what him plan for come do. And but through me did it as a baby, like not me, I never baby, me a primary school me I go. And but him probably just never want to do nothing too much in front of me. So anyways, he come back and ask mother for other ridiculous something when my mother no expect to sell at the shop. So I remember telling her my mother place was a business place where she provide for hardware. People need stuff from hardware, people need stuff from supermarket, people need stuff from farm store. But when the man asked for, it was just so ridiculous. So it's like the man say, alright, I soon come back. He might go somewhere and come back, him soon come back. So my mother said, look here, the car go inside soon come back. We need to hurry up and lock up the shop and come out before the car come back. And the fastest my mother ever lock up the shop. Normally did I check off on any time, she never check off. What she do? She just dash money in a bag and then lock up the shop quick and send me on the back and whatever me go on the back just in case anything, you understand? I think that time there was a room there on the building. I don't remember quite. So anyways, Urban lock up the shop now. So when we come out of the shop, it's like every car pass, we get Gigi, because there was about 4 of us. Every car pass, we get Gigi, like real Gigi. So it's so happen that we are good on the road, you know, we are walk, but we are walking, we are look behind, we are walking, we are look behind me. That we reach a one gate. And we reach a one gate, we hear one a line, no car near the pass. Every time we were looking behind us, it sounded like a vehicle was coming, but no vehicle was coming. So it's like we reach a one place where it have one little, like one coconut tree something, and then one big flowers, and then they have a gate, and we hear one car go. I mean, I don't know all the while we hide back at there's something there, but the car come from bird speed, you know. Whoosh, whoosh. I mean, like it can't pass, like I wonder if an airplane really a pass. So we hide back at this something now. Then my mother say that sound like a them, because the way them bird speed pass, yeah, so it sound like them gonna make a plan and come back. So the way them bird speed, my mother said no, we have to escape from here, so quick, because we not hide good none at all. So we get up when the car pass, we get up and we get up, we turn across the road, and a big bush we start take. Me say a big bush, we a make road, there was no road, and when we a walk, a big bush we start take. Yo, I'ma tell you say, we reach one part now where this is like a place if you come from, when we come from Indian Guava Ground, reach down like Guava Ground road, the road they take for Guava Ground. And one car lighter come. The car lighter come now, but the car drive slow. So the car drive slow like him a shine light on somebody. Yo, I'm remembering this and it's crazy, me I tell you. The car lighter come and the car shine the light, you know. So that the car shine the light, and we reach one part where, remember the wall did it, and little grass did it, and a buckeye grass, the wall we catch up buckeye grass. And me I tell her say, the car just a slower driving, so you know say, them a observe to see, because them a wonder, where them people are going. I mean I tell her say, a fast, my mother lock up the shop, you know. So the car, them must wonder, them people can't go too far. You understand me? Because it could be that if somebody come for rob we, you know, we never, like, you know, it never actually happened, but that did go happen. But if somebody that come for, it could be that somebody out of the area, and it could also be that somebody in the area tell them about my mother business and say, look here. And when they drive, they probably go check this somebody if you say excited what to do, and the person will say hurry up because they don't live too far. You know, understand so things normally go on in a community, you know, when people are people and stuff. So anyways, it so happened that the back of the car and the car drive slow, you know, and I'm drive slow. I mean, everybody out there are beat, you know, just up and boom, boom, and it was like when the car passed. It's when the car passed, we get up from back at the grass road, and we turn down Guava Road. And we reach under one hill under one gungo walk. I think in man when the gungo walk was sunny. We reach under sunny gungo walk. And we sit like, but from where we there, we can see the car drive on the road. That's how the road stay. If you come from where inclined and cross it, you will know. And it's like the car go down and there's this church. And the church at the far from the gungo walk. So many times we can see. It's like the car go at the gungo walk, go down at the church, and then he make a big turn, like he go, and he make you only hear car and make one big turn, and he make one big turn, and he come back up the road, and like he come at entrance at the entrance at the gungo at the road for go over ground that one next street, for come down on the street, and he didn't enter shining light and a shining light and shit. And me tell us that we're under the gungu walk, and I just saw everybody bow down under the gungu walk and just a people. And me tell us, me I say, yo, me I say, like my mother, everybody did a fret, and I said, everybody had just everybody. I think one man did it and Charlie did it, you know. Finally, like Charlie did it. Charlie did it. Cause I think Charlie have this voice and I was just like, I wonder what them man they want, man. That's a Charlie voice sound, you know. And I think them I tell Charlie, tap it, Charlie, you know, tap it. And then he car come them and he carry just a shiny light. And then when he come out, when he not see nobody, it's like he go approach, he come down, pan the road, and then we just hear going a reverse and nobody come. And I tell us say, we know the gungu piece must be about half an hour after that. Cause we are listening, we don't walk go up on the road and the car gone hide or something, or them a walk on the road or anything. We go on the so we go when we hear it about half an hour, go up back on the main road because the gungu walk there below the road. So we go back on the main road. Yes, if we go on, we take big bush go on, we go back up on one hill, and then we go back up on one hill, we go around the scheme of our next part. So we're going on the next part of the scheme. And Auntie Mitzi did live around the next part of the scheme. Like I did live up the road, so like I follow everybody, and Charlie did live on a far place in Marant. So me no not me. Auntie Mitzi will go Auntie Mitzi first go home. But when I got Auntie Mitzi yard, I could have walked from Auntie Mitzi yard and end up in my yard. Okay, they go to Auntie Mitzi yard and come to one yard where name Miss Cutie, and you go cross the lane, and one lane where you just cross the road in the lane, and then go back in one yard named Nurse, or one yard beside Nurse, so nobody no live now, and then we'll jump the fence to go over for a yard. I saw reach our yard. Until this day, like, me not sure if my mother remember, but me not forget, because this is the first time I've ever been in a situation like this, to be honest. And it's a reach home, I think my dad was there. We had tell daddy and me I say, yo, like we miss everything by the inch. Because me I tell her say, because at one point in time my mother did that say, he come like somebody in her car have one gun. I don't know how she figure it out, but she don't even try to license plate. But I think the back of the car never have no license plate panny, or he never have none at all. Me no remember. But my mother I look and he must say too fishy and the person in the car, and then I think at one point in time I never like the person already knows that too small in the car. The person in the car they come out, but he come out like he have his hand back at him. Yo, this was a scary night. I remember because this is the first time I've ever been in a situation like this, and this was a good amount of years ago. Probably I left high school almost 6 years now. Yeah, and 6 years after maybe a 6 year primary school. Oh, good 13 years ago, or probably more. But me I tell her, this was crazy. This was a crazy night. Would I never want to be back in that situation. Yo, me I tell her, people, it's especially the time of life now crazy. Now the time of life want to protect on yourself, like literally protect on yourself, because life not normal and I know things are go crazy. So anyway, that's my story time. I know we almost got robbed. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment. And you know, Auntie Mixie not alive now. She was a good godmother. I just want to say RP to she. Like, you know, I hope wherever she is now, she's Gucci, well blessed, because she was a good lady. So yeah, comment down below if you want me to do another story time. I have enough things to cancel now. It's just that I'm not sure if you guys like really love my story times or what, but me run short palm videos off it though, and I definitely gotta upload 2 times a day, because if you guys haven't realized, once my internet is up and popping, I upload 10 o'clock in the morning and 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, so big up yourself until another video. Bye.